It's a bit, it looks a bit. Louis not the daddy anymore.
Stem into my hair.
You're the star of the show, aren't you?
How have you made that for 13 quid? It's ridiculous. Crud. Baby boy, stay on my mind. Oh.
Nah.
Get that one.
Just so he's got a record of it.
No. I'm not going to tell him that.
No chance.
Come on! Don't do that! I'm not going to teabag him. We'll bite the nuts off.
Don't put that on there. Do not put that on there.
Definitely don't film that.
In fact, delete that completely. All of that.
It all started working on a series in my dad's shed. I followed my dreams and joined the Marines, serving in Afghanistan. Defenders were always part of me. So here we are, building custom machines with my awesome team in Shropshire. We are Mahker. Hi guys, I'm Dave and welcome to Mahker. This vehicle here today is going back to its owner, Arnie, down in London. And I'll give you a little bit of what we've done about this vehicle. So this is a small block Chevy 90. We've never had a small block Chevy in here before now, so I'll give you a little insight to what's in it. So we've still got some little bits left to do. We're doing a big breather system on this car. This has got a big stump puller cam inside it, and it gives you that lovely lumpy cam exterior. On the inside, you'll see in the clips coming up now, it's got one hell of a sound system that we've installed. Big 10-inch subs in the back, big double-din head unit. You name it, this car's got mids, surround, and enough bass to kick you in the back. He requested some bling, so we gave him bling.
Your gate
It was just cut round it, that wasn't it?
I was just cut round it.
Where's that console?
That is done and it's mounted. All I've got to do is strengthen it down the sides to stop it moving.
working on
This
right now?
is another dashboard for another customer who's having it in black with silver stitching. We've also done his seats. Well, the seats are all ready to go, as you can, if you pan round to there and see them, that's his seats there. But this is another customer wanted a black dash wrapped in leather, so that's what we're doing.
So this is just a standard Defender.
Yeah, standard dash, just having it. He's having it wrapped in nice smooth leather, just to make it look a bit nicer.
Yeah.
Plastic looks a bit boring, doesn't it?
How long would it usually take you to?
It depends really what design they have and everything like that. It's it could take a good couple of days. It could take up to 2 weeks. It all depends on what design, because everything's bespoke, like we do anyway. So it's all depends on the customer wants.
What are you working on here, Lou?
I'm trying to line up the doors and the guts
Right.
to look right. Make them shot nice,
Like a golf, Louis.
like a goal.
Like a golf. Start calling you the doorman, Louis.
Brand new doors. Okay, so, oh, sexual.
And they're not consumer doors.
They're not.
They're old style doors.
Are they brand new doors?
So Louis, how much do you just love aligning panels? Is it your favourite?
My favourite job.
Louis' favourite job is building a door. Louis loves building a door.
You look like you were loving it this morning.
Burnt skinny.
Let the viewers at home
Yeah.
sniff your finger.
So guys, that's an end to another absolutely manic week. We've got the builders in this week, building a new trim room. The trim department is totally took off way before I'd even planned it to take off. So we've got, I think, orders for about 10 interiors now. So Mark's going to be busy. I think we're going to need a bit of help. So if you're a budding upholsterer and you want to get your fingers under that sewing machine, get in touch, because we will be looking for someone else as well to give Mark a bit of assistance. And as you can see today from the footage, we are absolutely manic, but the lads are working hard. I've actually got my hands dirty for a change, and we're keen as ever. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.